Solving DoorDash payment errors is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can solve your DoorDash payment errors. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you just simply have to, reinstall your DoorDash application. Just reinstall your DoorDash application and the error should be gone. If this thing doesn't work, just try to, putting in the payment method once again. If that thing also doesn't fix the error, you just have to contact the DoorDash customer service. So in order to do that, you have to be at your Google and here you have to search for DoorDash customer service. Now, after that, you simply have to, as you guys can see, this is their phone number. You simply have to call them and talk to them that you are having this problem and they will be able to, help you out and will be able to fix the payment error for you. There could be something in the back end which is causing this thing, so they will be able to help you out with it. However, you just have to double check if your payment method is also working. There might be some error with your payment method as well. Your bank has blocked your card or something like that. Just make sure to double check this before contacting the DoorDash support. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.